Fiber optic fittings are the unsung backbone of every robust fiber network, small in size, colossal in impact. They're the critical links ensuring cables stay secure, signals remain unbroken, and networks withstand time and environment. From telecom backbones to FTTX last-mile connections, from high-voltage power grids to data centers, these fittings thrive. ADSS down-lead clamps anchored aerial cables in high-tensile N environments. Anchor FTTX optical fiber clamps streamline home and enterprise broadband deployments. Anchoring clamp PA1500 delivers unyielding grips for heavy-duty installation. Each a specialist in its role, keeping the fiber ecosystem running seamlessly. At OI's state-of-the-art factory, precision meets purpose. Every fitting from the ADS down-lead clamp to PA1500 is engineered with rigor, tested for durability, optimized for easy installation, built to outperform. They don't just connect cables, they empower networks to handle faster speeds, broader coverage, and future upgrades. For networks that can't fail, trust OI's fittings. Because in fiber optics, the right fitting isn't an accessory, it's the foundation.